Hey, iPhone users. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are entering the world of personalized alarm sounds. Whether you want a soothing melody or an energetic beat to wake you up, we've got you covered. Step 1, open the clock app, launch the watch app on your iPhone, tap the alarms tab at the bottom of the screen, edit an existing alarm or create a new one. To modify an existing alarm, tap edit in the top left corner. If you're setting a new alarm, tap the icon. Step 2, choose your alarm, select the alarm you want to customize, tap sound. Step 3, choose your sound. You have two options, ringtones. Scroll through the available ringtones and tap one to preview and select it. Step 4, songs, tap choose a song to browse your library or search for a specific track. When you find the perfect song, tap to select it. Step 5, save your custom alarm, tap back to return to the alarm settings. Finally, tap save to set the alarm with a custom sound. Feel free to tailor the content to suit your channel style. Like and subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.